Guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Subeksha, and while today you guys are watching this video, it's my birthday today, and I am so grateful to each one of you, and we are so close to 1,000 subscribers that it is so overwhelming because I know how difficult YouTube is as a platform to grow, and it's so diversified, it's so vast, and there are so many beauty bloggers and beauty content creators out there who are so amazing. So I'm really happy that you guys chose me and you have subscribed to my channel and give your time to my channel and appreciate my work. So for today's video, I am here on my very special day with a very special video for all you people who absolutely enjoy watching my Zara hauls. So I'm here with a Black Friday sale haul and I shopped a lot from Zara. Also, you guys must be wondering why I did not upload this video the last Monday that went by. That was because I have a lot of things that I have purchased that I want to wear as a birthday outfit, which is why I did not want to reveal it right away, and thus I waited for today itself. So if you guys are interested to see what all pieces I have chosen from the Black Friday sale, please keep on watching this video. I have all the pieces right here as the history of my purchase and all the prices mentioned. So I'm going to mention all the prices and the original MRPs of them. Also, this is in no way bragging about the products I have purchased. I know Zara as a brand is very expensive and it's very difficult for some people to afford such expensive clothing items, and I actually saved for about 2 months to buy all of these products. I know I have splurged a lot this time, but I really had to get a few pieces of clothing that I had my eye on, and I absolutely love the quality of Zara and how unique their clothing pieces are. Guys, the first piece that I picked up from the Zara sale were these culottes, and this is how they look. I'm gonna show you guys how it looks in me, and this is a very beautiful dusky pink color. So this was for 2590 and I got it for 1554 rupees only on the sale, and it has an elastic at the back, so you can easily size down also and it will fit you really well. And I love how this fits on me. You can style this up in many ways. You can easily wear these culottes with like a black high neck turtleneck sweater or a black sweater and just tuck it in, and it has a belt statement kind of piece. And also you can pair this up with various colors. You can make a monochrome outfit out of this and carry everything in pink hues. Guys, the next pick of mine was this mini skirt with a belt, and this is how it looks. It is a little above your knees, and also this was for 2000 rupees originally. I got this for 1194 only, and this is how it looks. I got myself the size L because in bottom usually L fits to me in Zara. And also I am gonna wear this as my birthday outfit, and you guys might not be able to see that over here on YouTube, but I will be posting a picture on my Instagram. And this is how it looks. It's of a very good material, it's very high quality, and also it's very nice. It has no stretch, but it's very comfortable while you sit also, so it's not gonna make you feel really tight on your stomach. I was looking for a nice woolen scarf since a very long time, and Zara had really good scarves, but they were for 2000 and I did not want to spend that much. But during sale time, I just quickly added to my cart as soon as I saw this, because this is like a dupe of Burberry print, and this is how it looks. And you guys can see it has a tag right over here, which you can easily cut because if you don't want it to show. And you can style a scarf in so many ways during winters. So this was for 2000 originally. Again, I got this for 1194, and you can easily use the scarf on your neck area, and you can just tie it up in a different unique style. You can just put it over your black sweaters and belt it up with a nice statement belt. So I just love how versatile woolen scarves are. They even protect you from that chilly weather, and they also look like a very amazing statement piece. So if you are a fan of Zara and you shop a lot from Zara, you guys must have seen poplin shirts being in the trend since so long now, and I did not get my hands onto these before. I don't know why, but I absolutely had the urge to get one right now. So these were originally for 2000 and I got this for 1194 again, which is a very good price. Also, I got myself the size M. You guys can see this is such a royal blue that just really it just makes your eye go blind, and I love such colors, especially this color in this blue hues. I just absolutely love them, and it has a very unique fit. It's like a oversized shirt which isn't mentioned there in the description of the product, which I always go through before placing my orders, but it has a very unique cut to it, so it is like a silhouette, so you do not need to get it stitched in your own size, because if you do, it will actually get tugged from your arm area. So it's a very beautiful cotton poplin shirt, and you can style this in unique ways again. Next, I got myself a sweater from Zara, and this was on no sale. They do not have sale usually on knitwear that easily, but I believe right now, when during Christmas time, Zara is going to run huge discounts on their knitwear, so just keep an eye. And I will also alert you guys on my Instagram if you want me to. And this is the sweater I got, and it has these buckles right here. So this was for 1890, and I got myself the size M in this, and I have a light blue one, and I absolutely love how thin these are to wear, and also how warm these are, and I absolutely love the fit of these are a little stretchy, but if you get a size down, they might become a little see-through, so make sure that you buy it in your own size also. And it is very beautiful. You can again use this in many ways. Black is one of my favorite colors, guys. So this is the piece that I did not want to show you guys before, and which is why this video is going up today. So this is a blazer. It's a double-breasted blazer, and this is how it looks. You guys will see the fit on me, and it has these beautiful buttons over here. Even on the wrist area, you guys can see the buttons are of such good quality. And this blazer was for 6,000 rupees originally. I paid only 33.54 rupees for this, and I believe like getting such a good quality and a beautiful blazer for 3,000 is a steal price for me. And I really wanted to wear something very chic and bossy for my birthday, and I did not want to wear something very cliche birthday dress like something black that I have been wearing since so many years now, which is why I got my hands onto this blazer. I got this in the size L because I wanted it to be of a little loose fit, because I'm going to obviously layer it up with a lot of other things inside. So this is how it looks. It's one of my favorite purchases. I really didn't want to miss onto this blazer, guys, and I had my eye on this. As soon as Zara had their sale on, I made my purchase. You guys can see I'm wearing a blazer even now, and this is also from Zara. It's their collarless blazer that my mom gifted to me last year. And I absolutely love how blazers actually look, especially on like busty girls like me. They really accentuate your body, your curves, and it gives you a very like chic and bossy look. So if you guys are looking for good blazers, I feel H&M has very limited options, but Zara has amazing options. But you can always keep an eye on sale, because it's very expensive otherwise to buy blazers, because blazers are always expensive, I believe. Guys, I have got these sliders from Zara, and this is how it looks. It's like a chain detail square front flat sandals, and these were for 3,000. I got this for 1794 something, and my size in these flats are 40, and this is the color of these. I actually wasn't into Zara's footwear earlier. My mom purchased a flat for me around 6 months back, and I actually love how comfortable they actually feel on my foot, which is why I got myself one more footwear. And I have really limited footwear for myself, because my foot size is way too big to actually find good footwear designs for my feet. That was all for my Zara sale haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon so that you guys are being notified for all the videos I'm posting on my channel. Also guys, please be positive, keep sharing love, and please be safe, guys. Bye guys.